Yo, what's good? It's your boy Johan, and we're doing a cooking video today. Pork chop with Everglades seasoning, a little white rice. Make it a little shiny, a little tasty. You know what I'm saying?
Oh my. Abajo en la última letra.
Mira. Sí. Yes.
Babe, you know I didn't know that on my phone. I can watch Telemundo.
Yeah.
Back.
Oh boy, he loves his cereal, boy. I don't want to get too close. Oh.
How's the people on YouTube?
How's the people on YouTube?
Yeah.
What do you mean, how's the people on YouTube?
Your little followers.
They're popping because they subscribe, they hit the like button. You know what I'm saying? They're popping. Trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, so hit that subscribe button right now. Hey. Why you looking at daddy like I'm crazy? Ooh. Why you looking at me like I'm crazy? You wanna see how I will steal your cereal, boy? That's cracking. That ain't go good, boy. Yo, boy. Why you so handsome? Just like your daddy. Dude. Team No More Trenches squad. What's your squad, huh? But you can't beat No More Trenches squad. Huh? What's your squad? What are you gonna name your gang, huh? Your little gang. How you gonna name them?
No more trenches.
No More Trenches. Miss No More Trenches. We the best squad. We're gonna be the best squad.
Get you a man that looks at you like that. After 3 years.
After 3 years. Me and Shati been together for 3 years. Gang, beat that. Relationship goals. Beat that.
No.
Wow. Why you so dizzy now, huh? Huh? Why you so dizzy now, huh? My Twitter, huh? Oh. What? I'm gonna strangle you, what? You know what I'm saying? Hit that subscribe button right now for live vlogs. Why am I standing like this? Only if I was not sick, I will be kissing my son, eating his ass up. You know what I'm saying? Can I please entertain them? Please. Okay, cool. Alright guys, back to the topic. He starts crying when he can't see me. I'm right here. I forgot to show y'all my Christmas tree. Then maybe you put the plug like right behind everything. I have to cross jungles just to put the light on. Look how beautiful my Christmas tree is. Go and hit that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying?
And the alarm.
And put the notifications on. Follow me on Twitter, JohanMusic _. Instagram, JohanMusic Booking. You know what I'm trying to say to you guys. And if you guys do not hit that subscribe button, I do not know who's watching this and who's not, or who is, or whatever. So you guys gotta subscribe, because if you guys don't subscribe, then I won't post any more videos. I'm playing, but you guys got to subscribe. You guys have to subscribe so I can know who's following and who's on this team. No more trenches gang. Squad. You want some? Alright, y'all, the food's ready. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and eat. You guys, so subscribe, hit that like button, and we catch you guys tomorrow. Liam, bye.
We out.
And we gone. Subscribe, no more trenches. Squad.